In this video, we will see how to use Boolean data type in C programming. I will use standard bool.h header file, which allows us to use bool as Boolean data type. Boolean data type can have true or false value. True evaluates to 1 and false evaluates to 0. Let's see example. First, I will include standard IO std io.h header, then include std bool dot h header file, then our main function. And I will have a system pause for our terminal to make it pause after we run this program. And now I'm going to define bool, that will be a, and its value will be set to true. It is equal, as we are setting x equals to 1. This is same as that. And then I will have another variable b, and its value is set to false. And now I will use if condition. Example over here, I will write if a, that means a, if a is true, the value inside a is true, or it is same as saying if a not equals to 0, or we can also say a not equals to false, that means it is true, or it is 1, and we are going to print a value is true. And then I'm going to check with b, if not b, that means if b equals to 0, just this, it is same as if b equals to 0, or b equals to false. B equals to false. So b has a false value inside there. So we are going to print first b value is false. Now this both conditions are true, because over here a is true, this condition will be true, and here we are saying b is not true, that means b is false or b is 0, and here we are saying a is 1 or a is true. So both statement will print. Let's run this program and see. You can see on the console it's printed a value is true and b value is false. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.